What's going on, everybody? This is Christopher Hochul. Welcome to another phenomenal episode. This episode, what I wanted to really talk about as I go through my journey is pretty much what I'm doing right now. Being on the internet, as we call it, social media. Pretty much, Bill Gates said in the late 90s that if your business is not on the internet, you won't have a business pretty much longer. And thousands of businesses have pretty much failed because they're not integrating into the internet. Social media is another example of that. It's an evolution of the internet. Think about it. We have a lot of marketing classes, schools you can go to, teach you how to market, newspapers, radio, different techniques. Social media is one way you can market also. Most people know this, that in the know, well, general, most people that are embracing technology knows that social media is one of the greatest things ever. You got Facebook, you got YouTube, you got Twitter, you got LinkedIn, which is not really social media. You also have one of the newest ones, Google Plus. So if you want to market your business, I would say definitely that's what I do. I really don't market it like market. I pretty much give you a journey of my business, let you know what opportunities I see as I'm going through. Hey, it could be opportunities for me and you. It could be opportunities for somebody else. It could be several different things. It hopefully helps people too. So I would definitely tell you, if you're not on social media now, if you don't have a YouTube channel, if you don't have a Google Plus, Facebook, now you got Instagram. It's so many things that keeps coming out. And if you're behind now, it's going to be hard for you to catch up because a lot of people are running with it right now and making sure they're putting their stuff out there. Because you got to think of the age level in the groups you're dealing with, especially in real estate. You still got the 40 plus real estate investors, I would say 55 plus real estate investors, but then you got the ones from 40 to about 24. Most of them are dealing with the internet in one shape or form, because if they're working, they're dealing with the internet, they're dealing with computers, they're dealing with technology. It's been integrated in their life. And if you're in a lower seed where you're going from 30 to, let's say, 18, please, they grew up with computers. So people find people not with the yellow pages no more. I don't even know where mine is. I'll probably use it for firewood or a fire starter for a barbecue. Probably, maybe not. But no one uses the yellow page. It's integrated online. You got Facebook. You got Google. If you want to find something, you Google it. You can do it by your phone, mobile app. Technology is here, and you must use social media. If you're not going to use it to market it, use it to just let people know what you're doing. Same way as if you go out in public and shake somebody's hand. Get yourself out there. LinkedIn is an online resume to me. I went to a Renegade investing meeting and they talked about social media. And here's a true fact. You can link up with people. You can show people what your business is, what your track record is, but they don't get a personality of you. They just get to see that. It's just like a resume, and if you know people, then you can link up, and which is cool, and LinkedIn, and they can see what you're doing. And you can catch up that way. Facebook has evolved dramatically from the first Facebook once it came from college. It networks you with hundreds of people. Google Plus is an evolution of that. And you need to check it out, definitely. Get out there, get you a Gmail account, get you Google Plus. Get out there and see what's out there, because there's so many different things, so many people you can link up with that is kind of different from Facebook, as I would say, because it's more open, instead of closed, that these only people, and you can follow some people, you could actually link up with somebody and, put them in your friends or your acquaintance or your following. It's a lot of different little intricacies you can do, and then things are some similar like a blog where you start one thing, you share it, and it just rolls on, and another person responds. Before you know it, you got a whole 3 or 4 pages of dialogue from several different people you don't even know about the same topics. So I would honestly tell you, check that out. YouTube is always, get your videos out there, see other people's videos. Funny thing about YouTube, if you don't know how to do something, you can go out there and find it. I don't know how to stretch. You can find it. I don't know how to barbecue. You can find it. I don't know how to raise kids. You can find it. I will sell, know some people too, but you can find mostly anything out on YouTube. And then Google, we know you can find your businesses, find other people's businesses. And Google is linked to Google Plus, which is a vital thing. And as we know, YouTube is too. So just want to spread that you guys, everybody needs to, at least in some form or fashion, get on social media. Twitter is definitely another one that you can definitely do. It's just a way to follow people, give updates, and give more of your personality. It's like being with somebody, but only getting the good parts. You know, it's like watching a TV show and they give you the highlights, but only the good parts of the TV show that you want to see, not all the fluff, because they fluff it to stretch it out. So, you know, you'll get a good response from somebody like, wow, that's cool. And then they may just give you all those good responses. Well, you got some other ones that you might not want to see or read, but Twitter is either near nor here nor there. But I would definitely tell you to check it out. Figure out what you like, but get on something, because if you don't, I'm out there. So just want to spread that news, share it with you as I integrate more into Google Plus, see how things go in there. You know, beyond that, I would just tell you guys to keep getting integrated in social media, technology, embrace it, because mobile apps are coming. We got tablets. It got everything. Tell me 10 years ago with half the stuff you would have imagined. Yeah, we don't have a car that fly, but we got a lot of other stuff. So, you know, it's give and take. You know, your image and your vision may be different to somebody else, but some people didn't vision this. I didn't. I vision other things. So it's definitely cool, though. So as always, I appreciate any feedback. If you like this video, definitely like. If you want to see more, click on the link. You know, watch more of my phenomenal videos as I go through my journey in real estate. So I appreciate it always, and definitely catch y'all on the next episode.